welcome back to the channel. I'm doing Deathless, but I will try not to. This will be shotgun only. This one. For what it would tail, it will say
Stop. Authorized personnel only.
Switch.
Raise your hands above your head for identification.
Greetings, Explorer. This message is to remind you that you are the UNPSC field officer aiding our research of the Pechorsk radius anomaly. Congratulations on your contract extension. Your security level has been reset to 0 due to long-term absence. Please proceed to your room and continue the missions. We are hoping for complete cooperation.
So what that means, I'm only allowed to use shotguns, knives, flags, I'm only most likely will kill myself with. That's it. And no using rifles or pistols. Lucky for me, this will be easier when I eventually get around to it than shotgun, no. Snipers only. Since the first sniper you unlock is level 3. Unless big if on this. Big. This, the SKS rifle, with a scope, big scope, this one or that one on it, or bare bones would count. That's a big deal. Well, wonderful for me, because I do not know if I should count that or not. For rifle, for snipers only. So that will make the run way more easier. Having my luck. Nope, that would be an intrusion. I pay to. Fun for me. That got to be a sash. A flashlight sash there. Has to be. Like, after this mission, I'm like, screw it. I'm not going to use the cut off IZ something. I forgot the name of. I think. Money. Okay. That was not my goal to get slapped around like that. Not one bit. Look off, this most likely won't be will be not a deathless, but if I not die, then I will try it most likely. I will try to deathless, but no promises at all. God damn. I remember her good rest. Unrealistic. You should not get that at all. Blah 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 blah. I don't give a fuck at all. Oh. They don't need the God, that's just one thing. If you're on standalone and PC will work that same thing, how the thing works with the ammo pouch, same with any sniper. I most likely will use that to my advantage. That is my plan. Most likely. Top priority. I don't give a fuck. Priority. One thing I like how did is how you repaired guns. I love that. How they did that. God, I cannot speak English. I can't. Think about it, I probably should have that like just as a backup. God. I just swore I seen something fly past my head. Nope, it was Ash. I like how you hear the sighing. I think I'm pronouncing that one right. Yay, more shells. I need them all. Oh god, I dropped her. But shot, maybe I can. But shot, there's one. 556. Kanata. My need for Pharaoh. That can amount what I need for Pharaoh Feast. That would be a fun challenge to do. Well, I cannot. God dang it. Come here, boy. Come here. Where the hell are you going? I forgot to heal. How are you doing with you? I saw it. Couldn't one-shot that. The IZH is better than the cut-off version of this. 100 times more accurate. It's in there. Yes. How did I miss? I was about to say, I would not be surprised if.
And I have enough of these hoes.
In a 2-mile race.
Working overtime. What have I got for that?
Well, that's how the world works, facility.
Dumbass.
Too bad.
Ooh, more money to save. Toilet paper. Give me, am I going out here? Oh God. Of a few things I want to complete. Some I want. I gave myself a bit many-handed attack. Apparently I cannot speak English too today. I'm checking if Patrol's my base.
Is Max coming out to play?
No, he goes. I'm convinced it's a 99% chance of that special rift mission to spawn. I got in that thing like all the time. When I don't, it like so uncommon. Let's not go, dude, to go peek. For the love of God, don't at bombs. I would have been sad if I died to a pain thing. Hello, bitch. Shark. What can go wrong? Here's a gift. Goodbye. God, I love doing stupid shit. something I do all the time
I'm starting to like the new view.
when I'm not
So
recording playing this
green
game
and quiet. It
is
would be nice to move here.
bring the shit I need for the farewell feast. Spawn. I'm fine. Bad idea. And my cable got in the way. So I was double screwed. God damn. For being on standalone, this game is quite pixely at times. Or nonsensical. Did I drop that one? Eh, whatever. Wouldn't need that? Probably. Not too of it, but kind of to sell. And that was worth it. Use a flag. Oh, screw you. You knew my one thing. Specifically put it that there. Fine. Okay. I'm going to finish this shit off. I want to say that meteor hole on several occasions screwed me over on my runs. I was running past that, gone in, gone out, yeet, midair, 100 feet, no, 200 yards in the sky. Like, what the hell am I meant to do? Bugs like that, I will call, hey, I'm not counting that as a death. That is a stupid bug. That when mine will say, hey, that not count as a death because it's stupid. In bug. Why am I saying this? I do not know. Give me 12 gauge. Why is it 12 gauge? Why am I keep on going down? I don't want down that game. Just a little bit. Ooh, sleds will be fun. Once I get a chance to get it. I just go shove everything in this. Because I most likely will need it. If I don't turn every 10 seconds. God, this is gonna be pain just to sort through. Take back your ammo container, King. I just needed rounds in my pocket. This bug just stupid to me, but I will use it to my death. I will save them. Auto reload. I think I will use that so I can't. If I'm realistic, you don't get that. to hit that. I most likely could. That would complete the one mission I need. Or Flash in the Dark. Intrusion should be easy. It's simply no. Flash and Dark. I would take maybe. Go to the teleport. There we go. Hit that. And leave immediately. That what am I going to do? Missing it? Nah. Yeah. These will take off a good chunk of my weight. I'm gonna be decently light, to be honest. God, that looked like Leaning Tower of Pisa for a second. Simply, the Pharaoh fees easily can be done. All you need to do, really. Run. Don't make sure you're not getting noticed. Do it. Run the opposite direction. Now push through the village. Since that will kill you. I like my mindset. I know. If I push through the village, I'm most likely fucked. If I don't, I'm less fucked. I like my mindset for the fellow feast. I don't want to deal with the sliders. I might use the solo shotgun as like slider empowerment, since the blast radius will be good. I want to know. Oh, screw me! I forgot to tell me something. Yeah, again, I would. If I get, I would just use that workout on my hold it. Okay. There we go. I don't want any fun. It was. If I have to. Just walk. Walk. Just. Already on my game goal part. And I think I can. And drop down. I just don't want to deal with that shit at all. Intrusion go be a pain in the ass for me too. Same as Kids Playground. Every couple of missions, couple of intrusion will be a pain in the ass. If I would need to enter for me for a shotgun, 200. Shot. What else is it called? Now the true fun begins. fetches. I won't comment on something. Normally, you will fetch a higher price for that, so if you would fetch a higher price for that, that's my only complaint. Oh yeah, heal. Before I forget. I'm buying Heather after this mission. I know what I could do with this. I will try to complete this mission. Open sesame. Watch the thing pop. Lucy, you're fine. Wonderful use of ammo. Watch out, gross. That's the thing that explodes. Is there ammo though? Two left. Why do I find that shit amusing to me? Just get it in background, just makes it more fun to do. Let's try to go. God damn. Why is that amusing to me? That should not be amusing, but it is. And I love it. After this mission now, go pop this, probably eat, and get back recording, maybe. My power just cut it, just bring everybody with me, here with me. Bitch, not you, I don't want you. Too easy. I hate it. Like, once I get close-ish to Blocky Village, I would have used that, since that is a flare. Should I take that into 5-ish? So I can bloody see. That would be nice and useful for me. I can hit so I cannot see. Come here, bitch. Come here. Come here, Jordy. Well, Pedro. nighttime. Oh, sleeping. If I could, I would just sleep all the time. Sleep today. 6s. Hi, Jane. Ghost train. Oh, shit. Yeah, no. I'm not risking all my health for that. Sneak passage. Look, look, look. Around here. Unless it's still all. I will go up, head all around there. So, investigation with 2 nice options there. This got me 30 minutes. Got me. You're too slow, Peach, to hit this shit. I just dodged that bitch. Oh boy. By the time 7, by the time I get there, maybe, I will be about 7:30, not 8-ish. Should I wait? That's the question. Do I wait? Into I can see. Final Oh, sorry. Somewhere attention. About time. Pedro. I think that one is it. Oh, that was productive. Once I turn on this mission, I will end the video. Yeah. Now, feel like if I would okay, that ain't my budget. But I get rid of that. Pump ICH. Sega. IC8. This gun, I want to say, if you do it right, you can have this thing as a sniper most of the time. I'm going to do that. I'm gonna test that on my own time. Arguably, this will make it easier for me to aim. They keep the doll. Yeah, it should be easier. Come on, alternate sides. That's what I said. Nope, level 3, of course. But I will get this thing. I will. Come on. I'm sorry. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Why is there a camera?